Welcome to our full tutorial on how to play multiplayer R.E.P.O. In today's video, we'll explore the exciting world of R.E.P.O., understand its objectives, and learn how to team up with friends for an epic adventure. Let's talk about how to set up your multiplayer session. Follow these simple steps to create a game that you and your friends can join. First, navigate to the main menu and click on Multiplayer. Then select Create Game. Now that you've created your game, it's time to invite your friends. Use the Invite Friends feature, which allows you to send direct invites through your gaming platform. Make sure everyone has your game code handy. Understanding the controls is crucial. In R.E.P.O. multiplayer, you can move using the W, A, S, D keys, attack with left click, and use special abilities with assigned keys. Familiarize yourself with these controls to make the most of the game. In R.E.P.O., you'll find various characters, each with unique abilities and roles. From the agile scout to the robust tank, choose the role that fits your playstyle and work together with your team to achieve victory. Success in R.E.P.O. relies heavily on teamwork. Coordinate with your friends to cover different areas, share resources, and execute well-timed attacks. Always communicate your strategy and adjust according to your enemy's moves. Effective communication is key in multiplayer games. Use the in-game chat to strategize with your friends, or utilize the voice feature for real-time discussions during intense gameplay. Every multiplayer game has its challenges. Disconnections, conflicting strategies, and coordinating actions can all lead to hurdles. Don't worry though, we'll go through some tips to navigate these common issues and keep your game on track. Exciting updates for 2025 have arrived. New characters, fresh maps, and enhanced gameplay mechanics will elevate your multiplayer experience. Embrace these new features for a thrilling game like never before. Thanks for joining our tutorial on how to play multiplayer R.E.P.O. with friends. We hope you're ready to jump in and start your adventure. Remember, teamwork is key, so invite your friends and have fun.